Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. What is in my pot of tea? Come right in, let's find out. In the beginning, man was created, and one thing that was readily accessible to man was herb. Yeah, fresh herbs were readily available for man's health and well-being. The use of herbs for promoting well-being and even healing dates back to ancient times, therefore cutting across history, culture, religion, and race. It is clearly understood that herbs and herbal roots are made for man. Therefore, in today's recipe, we are going to be making a fresh herbal pot of tea. Some of the benefits of drinking fresh herbal teas include boosting immunity. Particularly with this lime leaf, it helps to promote oral health, helps with gut health, helps with or promotes relaxation, helps to detoxify the kidney, promotes a glowing skin, and so on and so forth. Even herbal teas are known to help manage cough and common cold. However, remember, for every complex medical condition, make sure to consult your doctor. This is only complimentary. On the screen are the names of all the ingredients that I have included in this tea, and I'll just list them: lime leaf, basil, which you've already seen, garlic, ginger, chili peppers. Yes, chili pepper puts an extra heat on the tea, but apart from that, it also does promote metabolism, which of course helps to burn the fat. Now, another important thing to note is washing your hands and your ingredients thoroughly with clean water. Very important, and clean utensils. In order to get the best out of my lemon grass, I couldn't find my rolling pin, so I decided to use the bottle to achieve the same goal. Yeah, I beat the lemongrass up a bit. That way, I'm able to get the best nutrients out of it when it absorbs water. Now it's time to boil the kettle. Let's make ourselves fresh, healthy pot of herbal tea for health and wellness. Just for safety reasons, I'll mention that this glass kettle is able to withstand direct heat. Get all my ingredients in, including my lime leaf, to promote oral health. Top up some more water in order to get the best quality and quantity, and let's brew our pot of tea. Five minutes later, the pot is steaming already, and tea is nearly ready. What's next? I always love a bit of color to my tea. For that purpose, I'm going to be adding this cranberry and raspberry caffeine-free natural tea bag to our pot of tea. Remember, the pot is already boiled and the steam is up, so I don't need to boil it again. Just add, stir, and cover for another 3 minutes. Look what raspberry has done. Good color, great vibes. Ooh. Tea is ready. It's time to enjoy our herbal cup of tea. Don't forget, as you grab a cup, subscribe, like this video. And better still, I love a hint or a tint of lemon in my fresh pot of herbal tea most of the time. Remember, lemon comes with its own full benefits as well. Not only that, I love my herbal tea in a big mug. So it's time to serve myself a cup of fresh herbal tea. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Till I see you next time, don't forget, make food your medicine. Like, subscribe, share, and leave your comments. I want to hear from you in the comment section. Bye-bye.